Welcome to the last day of summer challenge. Will you have time to do it all? Go swimming, ride a carousel, set up a tent, have a picnic, fly a kite, and bury yourself in the sand? We only have one day to do everything we wanted to do this summer. Our new video is all about what to do on the last day of summer. Ben is panicking so hard that he wakes Jessica up. Ben, what's going on? Jess, wake up! It's the last day of summer. We need to do everything on this list. We don't have a lot of time. Let's go! Ben is like a flamingo fish. And Jessica doesn't want to get her hair wet. Oops! Girl, overboard! Ooh, Ben, you'll pay for this. Let's cross it off. I know how to distract my friend. Jess, should we have a photo shoot in this pool? Next up, we have to have snacks in the pool. Ben is the champion of having lunch on the water. Iced tea and a watermelon is the perfect summer snack. Let's cross it off. The next thing is going to the beach. Jessica can already picture herself running like she's in Baywatch. Don't be silly, Jess. You are running like you are in a horror movie. What about going surfing? Ben is a great replacement for a wave. Cross it off the list. An amusement park. Let's get some ice cream and pick a ride. Ben is a harsh critic. It's hard to find the right ride for him. This one is too scary. This one is too fast. This one is too high. Finally, we found the perfect carousel. Great job, Ben! You're riding high. We can cross it off the list. Ben is happy. A new point on our summer list is going camping, but we don't have much time. That's why we'll just set up the tent. The tent is ready. Let's take a picture for proof. Hashtag Camp Life. And we can cross it off the list. Let's keep going. Next, we absolutely have to have a picnic outside. Chew faster! Summer's almost over. But these mosquitoes want to have fun this summer too. Oh no! There are so many! Cross off picnic and let's go hide. Everyone has to make a sandcastle during the summer. Welcome to the Sand Art and Architecture Design Lab. Haha, Jess! You called that a castle? It looks more like a shed. Oh yeah, Ben? Your castle looks more like ancient ruins. The silliest item on our list is getting buried in sand. Nice! We did it! Just one problem. How do we get back out? Help! thing we have to do during the summer is go down a water slide. Ready, set, slide! Don't forget to film it! I want to take a break from all these summer assignments, but Ben has have a water gun fight on his list. I hate this! Haha! Let's cross it off the list! But Ben's about to get hit by karma. Enjoy your shower, Benny! Ben's summer dream is catching butterflies in a net. He's on the hunt. Unfortunately, there aren't any butterflies here. But Jessica has a fake one for him. Look, Ben, I caught a rare species. Haha, gotcha! Cross butterflies off your list. On the last day of summer, you need to eat enough ice cream to last you a whole year. Waiter, please! This portion is too small. Bring us all the ice cream in the world. Now that's better. Come on, eat another spoonful before summer ends. Phew! Now that's cold. A tattoo? Of course! That's what our list was missing! Summer tattoos are the brightest of them all. We can just wash them off when school starts. Ben kept putting off tanning. Now he needs to tan extra fast. I need tanning oil. Give me more. And even more to hide my t-shirt tan lines. Come on, son. Work your magic. That's it! I'm out of time! Guess I'll tan next summer! We have wanted to fly a kite all summer, but we never had time. We don't have time now, either. What's next? Badminton? I touched the birdie! It counts! Let's keep going! The last task on the list is going for a bike ride. Did we really do everything on the list? Yay! We managed to do everything we wanted to on the last day of summer. Did you like our summer challenge? Comment below what fun summer activities you have been putting off until the last day. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new challenges from Troom.